government has allowed parlours and salons to open across the state, barring the capital, Chennai. Salons will now be allowed to open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. but the use of air conditioning will be prohibited. Wearing of mask is going to be mandatory. Maintaining social distancing norms will be mandatory. Those working in these beauty parlours and salons must wash hands frequently and ensure disinfection of the place at least 5 times a day. Salons in the containment zones will continue to remain closed.
Well, who doesn't like a little bit of pampering and self-love when we visit a beauty parlour? Well, the Tamil Nadu government has now given a relaxation stating that from May 24th onwards, beauty parlours and saloons will be open. Well, there will be restrictions. All beauty parlours and saloons should ensure their social distancing, face mask must be used, and they should also ensure that at least a minimum of 5 times sanitization work is done in the beauty parlour and saloon. And they've also stated that the saloons or parlours can be open only between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. And this is going to be done in every district in Tamil Nadu except for Chennai and in containment areas. This is taking into account the number of cases that are rising in the city of Chennai. Already there are 9,364 COVID-19 cases which have been reported here, and also we have seen that there have been multiple clusters which are formed because of saloons or beauty parlours in the city of Chennai. So the state government is taking this as a precautionary measure, a containment strategy, and they're saying that once things become a little more normal in the city of Chennai, well, at that point of time they will think about reopening saloons and beauty parlours. But people in the other districts in the state of Tamil Nadu, this is your time to go and have that self-love and self-pampering and that small haircut that you've been asking for since the lockdown started. With camera person Daniel from Chennai, this is Akshay Nath for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.